Here's the paper. Got my shoes off. Let's go. Watch out or I'll take off my pants. See, you grabbed for my pants are reminding me. No skinny dipping in my pool, buddy. Good job. Mommy. Did you sign the bottom of it? Yep. Okay. Yes. Just lay it under here. Perfect. Thanks. Hi, buddy. How are you?
Hey.
You want to swim to the steps? You sound kind of.
Hey, buddy.
Ready? Oh no, just swim! Oh goodness! We're gonna float in a minute, okay? We'll float in a minute, okay? Just swim. Can you kick to the steps? Kick. Just kick. There you go. Good boy. Good job. Turn around here. Down. Will you swim back to me?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go.
What's that noise?
There it is. Yay! Okay, now kick back to the step. Show Eliza how you swim. Ready, go. All the way up.
Oh, man, yes, good job.
Good boy. Can you show me how you rest? Rest. Uh-oh. Ready, set, go. Good boy. Good job.
Yeah, good boy.
Good cat.
You're a good boy.
Good kicking, honey. Good job.
Elijah. Aaliyah,
Ready?
Are you ready to get up and walk? Because
Good boy.
Elijah,
Show me how you rest.
come here, please.
Ready?
Ready for your head.
Go. Good boy. This one. Which way? That way. Yay! Yes. Okay, put your arms out like a starfish. Good boy. Ready, set, go. Nice job.
Good job,
That
yes.
was good swimming. Good boy. I like those feet. I like highlights.
Okay, what's your first feet? Let's go.
You ready? Oh, you're so fast. You're so fast. Put your arms out.
Speedboat.
You're like a speedboat. Bye. Ready, set, go. Good job.
Good job, yes.
Ready? We got, let's not lift those hands back there and your head can come back. There we go. Ready? Rest. Arms out, arms out, arms out. Let me go. Thank you. Ready, set, go. How about over here? Did you find me? You were silly. You turned the wrong way. Nice kicks. Super duper. Good boy. Can you swim back to me? It's so sweet. It's down so gentle. Your belly flop splash. Water's this high. Non-soaked. It's so sweet. Yes. Ready? Set. Go. Good boy. You do so good, yes. Good job, buddy. What else? Want to swim for the ball? Yeah. so it shouldn't be so high. Yay! You did it fast. Everything's fast. Right. You see when he reaches up with that arm, he starts that feeling like the rotation to the float. So he was like trying to turn around to go to his back. You grab my shirt? That's silly. All right, let's go to the steps. Ready? We're going to have to fix that. You're doing it so fast. You're sitting up instead of laying down. We'll fix that. Ready, set, go. Look at that. Good swim. Good job. Oh. That's a big one. Let's leave him. Come here, Mommy's done. All right. You're doing awesome. Look at him. He's already like, there. Yes. Head back like that. Can you put your arms out like an airplane? Good boy. Ready, set, go. Good kicks. Good job. You put him out. Just stick like this. Stick him back in. That'll help you. Okay, one more. One more and we'll get out. Put those on this. He's playing fetch. Wait. I got it. Right here. Right here. Right here. Oh my goodness.
Oh, man, yes.
Miscommunication. Hi. Can you put your hands out like an airplane? Okay, thank you. Ready, set, go. That's a great job. Okay, yes, listen, I want to do it one more time now. Like, there you go. I think he thinks it's supposed to be in the pool, right? Okay, no. Do it to me one more time and then we'll get out. Ready? Go. And then roll back. Good boy. Nice job. Can you put your arms out like an airplane? Good boy. Ready, set, go. You got me. All right, are you ready to swim to the clamshells? To the seashells? All right, let's go get the side to get out. You did great today. Ready, set, go. Yay! Good job, big guy. Did you get him?
Oh, yes, good job.
He's a big boy
Submarine
swimmer
too.
now. You're a big boy swimmer now, aren't you? Give me 5. Good job. I'm proud of you. There's a little bowl of cookies up there. I don't know if you were back here when I mentioned the little girl inside baked cookies for all the students. I think they're sugar cookies. I'm not sure. Cinnamon or sugar or something. I don't know.
Yeah, he already told me he's taking one from the blue can.
Oh, good.